How to hide games on Steam from friends. Let's get started. Launch your Steam account. You'll land to this kind of interface. Now at the top left corner, you're going to find this option of Steam. Click on it. Different options will appear. Navigate to the option of settings. Once you're in the settings page, here you're going to find different options. Navigate to the option of interface. Click on it. Now here you're going to find different options. Here towards this option of client beta participation. At the right corner of it, you're going to find this drop down. Click on it and set it to Steam Beta Update. In order to hide game on Steam, you'll need to upgrade the Steam to the beta version. So go ahead and select this option. With that, Steam will restart. Now you can navigate to the library section. Then head towards the game that you want to hide. Click on the game. Different options will appear. Click on the option of manage. Then click on the option of hide this game. With that, the game will be hidden. So this way you can easily hide games on Steam from friends. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.